adrenaline junkies, thrill seekers, and all around whitewater enthusiasts. My name is Darren. Today, guys, I have the distinct pleasure to serve as your personal whitewater paparazzi out here on the Upper Gauley. That's right, the mighty, the famous, the one and only Upper Gauley River. We're about to embark on a 14-mile river journey of some of the best whitewater in the entire world. Now, gang, without any further ado, let's go ahead and meet you guys that are going to be starring in this whitewater movie and those crazy raft guides. We'll go ahead and see you there in a snap. Oh yeah, we got our first crew of whitewater warriors making their way on down to the mighty Upper Gauley River. How we feeling, you guys? Are we ready?
Ready.
Oh, they are ready. Hey, let's go ahead and get some names for the camera. What's your name, man?
Hey.
Hey, morning.
Micah.
All right, and last but not least, your whitewater guide of the day. Yeah, dude, Upper Gauley. Nowhere else I'd rather be. I'll see you at that first big one. Oh my goodness, yet another crew of whitewater warriors making their way on down to the Upper Gauley River. You guys got a small boat, paid extra for a smaller raft. I expect big things out of this crew. You guys ready?
Make your highlight reel.
All right, cool. What's your name for the camera?
Tony.
Hey, good to meet you.
Eric. Steve.
And last but not least, Andrew Sullivan. Yeah, dude. Show these guys a big time. Hopefully we see this boat upright instead of upside down. See you guys downstream. Holy crap, yet another crew of whitewater enthusiasts making their way on down to the river. Upper Gauley Warriors, how we doing, guys? Hey, let's go ahead and get some names for the camera. What's your name, dear?
I'm Shannon.
Hey, good to meet you. And your name, sir?
Jack.
Hello.
Right.
Morning. Hey, Tyler. Sorry, look after my umbrella. Hey. And last but not least. Oh, yeah, dude. Your whitewater god of the day, Upper Gauley. I'll see you guys at that first big one. Oh yeah, we got Skimry, our intrepid trip leader, and his whitewater warrior crew. How we doing, you guys? All right, we're excited about this Upper Gauley River action, huh? Skimry's excited. Yeah, the war beat. Oh yeah, what's up? What's up? Hey man, what's your name?
Sam.
Hey, good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
And your name, sir?
Zach.
Hey Zach, and yours? Hello.
Luke.
Raven.
And last but not least, Skimry. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Finest place in the whole world. I'll see you at that first big one. Well, all right, you got another crew of whitewater warriors making their way on down to the river. Glenn Goodrich and his intrepid crew. How we doing, you guys? All right, we're ready for this Upper Gauley River act. Hey, let's go ahead and get some names for the camera. What's your name, dear?
Amy.
Hello. What's your name? Hi, good to meet you.
Trey.
Hey, Trey. What's your name, dear? Hi. What's your name, sir?
James.
All right, and last but not least, Glenn, Mr. Goodrich himself. I'll see you at that first big one, sir. Where else I'd rather be. Oh yeah, yet another crew of whitewater warriors making their way on down to the river. Matt Stom and his intrepid crew, who actually paid extra for a smaller raft.
Oh yeah.
Little raft means big things. Let's go ahead and get some. Oh, okay, you're doubting it? No, never doubt it. Blind confidence.
Trying to get some serious air.
Does Matt seem nervous? No, so you guys will be all right. Hey, what's your name, man?
What's up?
What's your name?
My name's Kurt.
Hey, Kurt. What's your name, dude?
Gotta get the nerve. Austin.
Hey.
Scott.
Hey.
Wait.
Morning. And last but not least, Matt Stom. Yeah, man. Nowhere else I'd rather be. I'll see you at that first big one. Well, all right, guys, we have met you. We have met those raft guides. At least one final thing left to do. We got to get out here on the Upper Gauley River. We have to learn how to paddle these boats. We're going to have to learn how to negotiate all this big Class 5 world-class whitewater that we are about to encounter. Now, gang, again, without any further ado, let's go ahead and shove this camera in the box, crank up those tunes, and I'm going to see you at that first Class 5 rapid at the Upper Gauley.
That is what we
Insignificant. As you can tell, that rapid is anything but what its name says. What a way to start the day. Most of y'all having some clean lines, some good swimming action, y'all. All right, y'all. Let me go ahead and turn this camera back in the box and meet you at one of the most badass rapids in the entire world, Pillow Rocks. Let's go ahead and crank those motivational tunes, and I'll see you at that next whitewater stop in a snap.
Begin to show. 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 Leave the past behind. Begin to show. Begin to show. Begin to show. Begin to show. Begin to show.
Some huge lines in there. Sullivan crew definitely getting the dollar of the day, getting high up on that pillow, almost into the room of doom. Looking good. That's what I like. Guys, I'm going to shove this camera back in the box. I'm going to make my way on down to our most dangerous, longest, most technical Class 5 rapid of the day, Lost Paddle. It's a beast. Let's go ahead and meet you downstream. work and the second drop of Lost Paddle, Hawaii 5-0. Y'all can see why we call it that. A huge 12-foot standing wave. Guys, we have three more drops left to go. I'm gonna shove this camera in the box and make my way on down this piece of a raft myself. I'll see you at the next time. Some big lines in this short but sweet raft, guys. We have one final class 5 to go for the Upper Gauley River Swedes Falls. One of the best or one of the worst, depending on how you run it. I'm gonna go ahead and shove this camera back in the box. We're gonna crank those tunes and I'm gonna see you downstream.
gets hard, but I swear it gets better. You're afraid of the dark, you're afraid of bad weather. You're down on your luck, but let's just stick together. 'Cause babe, you're my rock, watch me float like a feather. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing, baby.